Welcome to my video. How old are Sally and Tom if their total age is 23 years? We need more information. Sally is 3 years older than Tom, and together they're 23 years old. How old are they? Let's let Tom's age be X. Since Sally is 3 years older, her age is X plus 3. Their total age is 23, so we can write X, which is Tom's age, plus X plus 3, which is Sally's age, is equal to 23. So that's our algebraic equation. Now we want to simplify this so we know that 2x, we add the x's together, plus 3 is equal to 23. We subtract 3 from both sides, so we on the left will get 2x is equal to 20, and then we divide both sides by 2, so we get x is equal to 10. So Tom is 10 and Sally is 13, so that's the ages of the two. If you want more of these math quizzes and problems, like and follow my channel. Thank you for watching.